Today I'm going to show you Mystic's Stamp Starter Album. It includes stamps, album, illustrated pages, hinges, and stamp collecting guide. It's an easy way to try out the world's greatest hobby. You'll receive 100 US stamps when you order Mystic's Stamp Starter Album. Plus, you'll get easy-to-use hinges to attach them to your album pages. Take a look at the link in the description below for a quick how-to guide on hinging your stamps. Here's what the album looks like inside. It has pictures of every stamp you'll receive, plus interesting stories about them. A starter kit wouldn't be complete without a guidebook. This one is full of priceless stamp tips, stories about some of history's most famous stamps, and more. It's everything you need to know to start stamp collecting, right at your fingertips. Stamps allow us to discover fun history, striking artwork, and much more. Mystic's Stamp Starter Album is a terrific opportunity to see what all the fuss is about for yourself. And it's a great value, too. Click the link below to get yours today. It also makes a great gift for a friend or family member who might enjoy trying out a new hobby. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting.